No king dey last forever. My victory go come. Fubara. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go give you alert once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The suspended governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, he don declare say no king dey last on the throne forever. He dey talk this one for one gathering for Boni. Fubara declare say im victory go come back to am at the end of the day. He say he no consider himself to dey lose anything, say because God na im keep am standing. According to am, everybody no go appreciate your style. Say but when you know say wetin you dey do right, he say make you dey sure that in 25 to 30 years, if they put you inside any box and they ask you question, you go defend your action. Say that na wetin make you man. And then he come talk say no king dey live forever. Say na the truth, and no authority dey last forever. He say but wetin dey important na within the period when you dey power or when you dey reign. He say make you do wonderful things when the people go take talk forever. He say some people dey accuse am about a lot of things. Say but the truth be say e no go fit be wetin e no be. And for our people, he say make dem dey strong at all times. He say you need to lose to win. Say for am, and anybody when he believe in am, he say he never consider himself say he lose anything. He say na when you attach life to things, na im dey bother you. He say I know at the end of the day, our winning will come to us because we are standing on a solid rock. Fubara then suspend am for March 18 after President Bola Tinubu declare a state of emergency for Rivers State. The president come appoint sole administrator, Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ibas retired, make him preside over the state, while Fubara suspension go last for the first 6 months. The emergency rule and Fubara suspension na fallout of the political crisis when e follow a face-off between Fubara and im predecessor, Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike. Since in suspension, Fubara don meet twice with Tinubu and Wike, all na to seek peace and reconciliation. This statement when Fubara don make so, though no time stamp for the tori source. So whether na recently after June 12, when expectation dey high, say President Bola Tinubu he go lift the suspension after the peace effort when Sim Fubara don be make, and the hope be dey high, not just for Fubara, but for everybody, both state actors and non-state actors. But disappointment come when June 12 come. President no lift the suspension. Rather, wetin come play out, according to the Bayelsa West Senator, Siriake Henry Dixon, Now, for the president to send a fresh list of people when they appoint into statutory boards for Rivers State, the boards like Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, Rivers State Civil Service Commission, and one other commission. Now that one can make Siriake Dixon come the vex for the floor of the Senate chamber. He come waka go do press conference to express in displeasure. Say not be that type of time and day when Nigerians they expect the restoration of democracy to Rivers State. Now President Tinubu go dey send names of people when they want appoint into boards for Rivers State, wetin supposed to be the function of the governor. That act e can show say the Rivers crisis e dey far from being over, because if the president dey seek to appoint board to conduct election and other things, then na testament say Fubara no go resume soon. Na that one come bring the tori say Fubara may likely go back after the conduction of the local government election for Rivers State. And the thought be say maybe in the wisdom of the president and the Wike camp, they won't put their lackeys in place to man the local governments them, so that by the time Fubara returns in September, if there is no further extension, Fubara will be a lone ranger for the state capital, while all other parts of Rivers State e go dey the hands of the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike. Agreed say this line of thought na conspiracy theory, but in politics nothing is impossible. So whether na this background dey lead the suspended governor Siminalayi Fubara to talk say no authority dey last forever, person no go fit tell at this stage. But one thing dey sacrosanct, wetin Fubara talk e dey cryptic, but na the truth be that. However, this election thing in Nigeria e dey tenured. So if they ensure say e tenure run out without e no enter back, na im be say in victory e no get am, except otherwise. People no dey happy with the situation currently for Rivers State, and na so people too no still dey happy say Fubara e dey make this statement too soon. Somebody dey say e dey suggest say e dey arrogant. He say make e toe the line of peace, assuming the expectations for June 12 it already dey dashed. Im go still take am calmly rather than to make these comments when they allege say e make so. Somebody else too feels na small pikin talk be this one. He said that person wey not qualified to be local government chairman, but providence come put am where im dey. He say na im pride na im bring am come down, so make im dey careful.